Internet! I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today, we're going to take a look at the Withings Body Scan, which is one of their connected smart scales. If you're not aware, Withings is responsible for the smart scale. They've made it a home technology. We've done a number of product reviews on Withings products. I'm in the middle of one right now. And we've done a number of scales. This is one of the more complicated ones. Maybe not complicated, but more features than some of the other ones we've done. You can see up here at the top, there is a hand bar for additional fitness measurements. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. Obviously, this is going to connect with the Withings app, which means if you have multiple devices from them, all of the health metrics will come together in one place. So the scale, the watch, things like that, they'll all come together in one place and help you get a single overview of your personal health or your family's health. All right, so one box down. I do like that they put labels for peel here on how to open their boxes. All right. So here we are. Here's our product. On the top here, we have a pull tab that'll bring out our manual, things like that. Here is a start guide. Welcome to the family, or welcome to the community. How to download the app, how to get things scaled or connected, how to do initial measurements, things like that. Here we have English, French, and Spanish, a product guide, intended use, how to use it, how to set it up, things like wireless information, all your safety protocols, things like that. Here we have another product guide, intended use. All right, this tells about ECG and ECG outputs, what is an ECG, how to record one, similar information to what we received when we opened the box for the watch, how to clean it, disinfect it, safety, things like that. So more general usage and safety procedures on that. All right, now let's figure out how to get this out of the box. All right. There's our handle, but we've got a little thing above it here. So let's find out what this is. Got something with 3M tape on it. I think this might be a mount for this guy. Yep. Okay. So if you want to put that up or mount it somewhere. We've also got a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is something new for us in a Withings product. The other scales that we've done have been AA or AAA. But this one is significantly heavier and probably has a rechargeable, has a rechargeable battery in it. Luckily, this is not a product that is intended to be carried around, because this is girthy. This is a heavy device. Here we have a tag for remove and keep. Okay. And we're going to take the plastic off of it. See if we can find the rest of the information. All right. Now, if you've seen our unboxings or our product reviews on previous Withings smart scales, you will know that this one looks significantly different for a couple of reasons. The first is it looks physically bigger. It has this handheld scanner as well. I understand. We can take this off. But the top of it has this grid on it. Now, you might think that that's an aesthetic thing. It's almost certainly not. If I had to guess from a technological standpoint, this is all about sensor points and giving a way to do the foot-based sensors on a more detailed level, because it doesn't just do weight. It does all kinds of other things. You've heard that it has ECG, it has body mass. There's all kinds of scans that this thing can do, which is one of the reasons why I keep one personally. Currently not this model, but we will see. So there's very little to it, other than the fact that the top is significantly separated from the bottom, which also is a bit of a change in design. There's not, on the bottom, a battery compartment. So we were correct on that. Up here at the top, we have a USB-C and what appears to be a power button. And that, my friends, is the extent of what you've got here. Withings tries to make things as straightforward as they can, something I definitely appreciate. So this device, when you step on it, will turn on. It will run through the scans that you have set for it to do within the app. You can turn on and off certain scans. There's things you don't care about, you don't have to have them. There's things you do care about, you can turn those on. Obviously, for certain scans, you will need to have the bar in your hand, which has a very long retractable cable on it. So you'll need that in your hand to do certain scans, probably the ECG, for example. And then when you step off of it, it'll turn itself back off. While it's in idle mode, it will upload that information to the Withings app, and then you'll be able to see it in your phone. If you use it by yourself, it'll identify you immediately. If you and your family share a device, as I do, you'll be able to the device will try to determine who is who and keep track of each person's information individually. Really cool feature. And then you can go into the app. You can see from this device your weight, your body mass index, things like that. If you've got the watch, it'll also show you sleep schedules, and you can do ECG across these devices, things like that, and it'll all be in one place in the app. Looking forward to seeing that. Obviously, as you can see, we just opened this. We have not gotten to use it yet. As we do, we will be writing a review. That review will be available at PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. And once it's published, we will add a link to the video description as well. If you'd like to see other product reviews for other Withings products and a lot more, you can go to that same site, PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. If you want to see other unboxings on other products, including Withings products, you can go to Unboxed.live or check out our YouTube channel at PLUGHITZlive. We've also got how-tos on some of the more complicated products. You can see those at howto.live or again at the YouTube channel. And with that, until next time, ciao.